Hey, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, we are going to learn how to round a corner for a rectangle shape. So first we need to draw our shape from this toolbar. So I'm going to click here. You can use the shortcut, which is U. Let's draw this shape. And if I want to round this corner, so I'm going to use another tool which is called the corner tool. Let's click to get this tool, and I'm going to drag this point to round this. And if I want to round another point, so I'm going to get this tool again. So this time I'm going to round this point. So I'm going to drag my selection for this corner, which is going to round only this corner or point. So this is how we can use this tool, which is called the corner tool. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And do not forget to like this video and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel so you can get notified about our latest uploads in our channel. So see you guys in the next video.